Tracker's Maxima Complete is based on the same great design as Tracker's previous field-tested and proven receivers. Still the most versatile and portable synthesized receiver in the world, the Maxima Complete can store up to 100 individual frequencies at one time. The Maxima Complete has two antenna options, the integrated antennas attached to the receiver, or, if you need more range, there's an SMA connector that can be used to connect to an external antenna such as a long-range Yagi or a roof mount. The Maxima Complete is configured based on how many frequencies it can track and the number of memory slots available. For example, a 1005 indicates that the receiver can monitor 1000 distinct frequencies and can store 5 in memory. A 5100 can monitor 5000 distinct frequencies and store 100 in memory. The Maxima Complete can be upgraded to allow more frequencies or memory slots. Bearing to the strongest signal can be detected either audibly or by viewing a graph on the LCD screen. When tracking, it is best to adjust the gain so that only 1 or 2 bars are showing on the display. You will learn more about this in the Getting Started section of this video. Other features of the Maxima Complete include the on-off button, the up-down arrows for flipping through the program channels or programming frequencies into the receiver. The mode button is used to program in specific caller frequencies. Enter for fine-tuning and to toggle into near tracking mode. The gain wheel. Headphone jack. External power jack. The battery cover on the back. The Maxima Complete operates off of 2 9-volt batteries. Programming the Maxima Complete to your transmitter frequencies is very simple. First, activate your caller, turn on the receiver, and press the mode button. The leftmost programmable digit will flash near the top of the display. Simply use the up, down, and enter buttons to complete the programming process. Let's try an example. If your receiver is a 1005 with 217 as the base frequency, and you want to program in a 217-325 transmitter, start by pressing the mode button. Make changes to the blinking digit so that the frequency that you want to place in memory is seen at the bottom of the display. Since your receiver can only pick up frequencies in the 217 band, you only have to program the last 3 digits. The first number to the right of the decimal is the first number that can be programmed, so hit the up button until you reach the number 3 and press enter. The next digit to the right will begin flashing, and press the up buttons until you get to 2 and press enter again. Then program the 5. The final digit here will default to 0, but it can be used to fine-tune if your caller drifts off frequency. Note that the flashing digit can be moved left by pressing the mode key and to the right by pressing the enter key. Now when you press enter again, we move to the memory storage step. The Maxima Complete always shows the lowest free memory location. If you accept this location, press enter again and the process is complete. If you want to put the frequency in another memory slot, use the up or down arrows to locate the memory location you want to store the frequency. Now the 217-325 frequency has been stored in memory location 2. You can save a new frequency over one that is already stored, and you can erase frequencies. To erase, select the frequency. Press the mode key and hit the down arrow until you see 4 flashing dashes in the top part of the display. When you press the enter key, the frequency is erased from memory. Special to the Maxima Complete is the ability to fine-tune the frequency. To begin, turn down the gain until you see 1 or 2 bars on the display. Hold the enter button down for 1 second. Then use the up and down arrows to find the strongest signal or best sound. Press and hold enter again to complete fine-tuning. You must complete the fine-tuning process before you can move on to operating the receiver. Quickly pressing the enter button on Tracker's Maxima Complete will activate the attenuator or near mode. The near mode is useful when seeking to locate a dog that is less than a half mile from the receiver. The near button makes it easier to set the gain level by reducing the sensitivity. When the display is showing high, the receiver is set for tracking long distances. Low mode is for when your signal is very strong or you are close to the caller.